Okay, now we are going to open. This is the manual. This is their components. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the pipe. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to take out. Mhm. Okay. This is the lower part. 1 second. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now this is empty. Okay. Now these are the components which are used to assemble it. Now let's see what are the components. Okay. Oh, this is the shark. Lift away. Yes, and this is the pipe. Okay. This is the handle. The handle with the pipe. This is the another part. Now we are going to open. Okay. Yes, we are going to open the box. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is the lower part. Yes. Okay. These are the two parts. Okay, now we have assembling. Yes. Okay. Okay, now you can check how. Okay. Anna. And now we assemble the top position handle. Okay. Okay, now the pipe is going to connect. Okay, now it is approximately complete.